Good morning, my dudes. Today I am going to show you how to make MS Teams meeting work well for you and not want to rip your hair out. I don't like this, number one, but we're going to give it a try. So the way MS Teams works generally for meetings is that if I go up in the corner here and I set a new meeting, what it expects me to do is to set up a meeting at 11 o'clock on the day in question, so let's make that the 21st for purposes, and I should invite the only people who are allowed to come to this meeting. If I did that for every single one of my students, I would have to input 19 meetings, not including any of my group activities, which would drive me up the wall. So this is what I'm doing instead and making it so much easier for everybody. No random emails, not setting up 19 meetings. It's brilliant. This is what you got to do. So you're going to add your meeting, and I'm going to make it so I have one single ongoing meeting every day. So this is our Monday meeting. I don't know if the 21st is actually a Monday. I'm going to find out. Then I'm going to go into my optional attendees, and I'm going to add myself. Yes, that means I'm probably going to get an email, but at least it's getting to me and not to all of my families. I can even send it to random email because really it doesn't actually matter who I send it to. I could make a burner email and never check it again, and I could send it there. But we're going to keep this simple. Now, it doesn't recognize me because I technically don't exist in this organization, but now it recognized me, so I'm okay. Now, I'm going to make this an all-day meeting. Yes, an all-day meeting. Now, I could also just set it to be during my work hours, which is the period between, wrong button, between 9:30 and 3:30, which is my personal work hours, and I'm good. I can add a channel if I want. If you don't know what a channel is, don't bother. It's not worth it. I'm going to add some details for this meeting. I don't have to. I'm just going to write cat because I can. And then I'm going to click send. So now I have set myself up this glorious meeting, which is actually on a Tuesday apparently. That's what we're working with. Now, if I click on this again, it's going to take me back, but all of a sudden this link has appeared in the middle of my descriptor. This is fantastic, because now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my meeting options, copy this link, and I'm going to go into my browser here, and I'm going to put this link in there. Look how big and long that link is. Isn't that ridiculous? It's going to take me in here, and only I can do this because I'm the one who set the meeting. I am going to make it so that no one can bypass the lobby. I have to let every single person in. People in my organization, I'm the one who's in my organization running the meeting. If you have parents who are using their SD63 address, you might want to figure something else out. But in general, it's only going to let my kids in. And then I'm going to make sure that only I can present so no one else can share their screens with me. I want them to announce when callers join and leave. Yes, please. And I'm going to click the save button. Brilliant. So now I'm going to go back into my Teams. And I'm going to click this one. And I'm going to right click and copy the link. Come back up here. Whoops. And then I'm going to push a button. And I click enter. And for some reason, it wants, oh, right, because this is the actual link to your meeting. So now you have two choices. You can embed your link in an email using the nice little clip tool button, or you can cheat. And I like to do this because then my parents aren't emailing me, where's the link? You'd be surprised how often I get that. So I've just created my short link down at the bottom here, and I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to put it into my email. It's that easy. and I only have to log in to one meeting that goes on the whole day. I can leave the meeting and come back. No one is going to be able to log in while I'm in this meeting, and it's all going to be good. Hope this helps. Have a lovely day. MSTeams sucks.